In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a transition to a slide in Google Slides. Let's say I want to apply some transition animation to this particular slide. What I need to do is I have to click on the slide and then go to transition. And then here we have to choose one of these maybe 8 or 9 transitions animations available in the program. Let's say I'm going to try gallery, and if you want to see what it's going to look like, you can click play, and that will give you a preview of the animation. You can also adjust the speed or the duration of the transition animation. So I think I'm going to make it to be 2.1 second or 2 seconds. And you can also change the setting, or sorry, apply the setting to all slides. At the moment, this setting is only being applied to this particular slide. You can see there is this icon indicating that this slide has some transition animation to it. If you click apply to all slides, of course, all the slides on the document will have the same transition animation. And personally, I think it's better. I think it's just easier to make everything more consistent. And when you're done, you can click slideshow and test the result. If you move to another slide, this is the animation that you will see. So yeah, that's essentially how you can add some transition animation to any slide in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.